Hello everybody, caffeinated reviews here. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Catz S.T.R.I.K.7 gaming keyboard. I don't actually own it, so I'm just going to review it from the Amazon page. As you can see, the list price is about $268.99 with free shipping. And it comes with a control module with Venom TFT LCD touchscreen, function strip, your power active palm rests, 2 wrist rests, uncomplicated macro programming, and then if you look, here's integrated TeamSpeak functionality with visual identifier. So we can look at it, and there's the body scanner, and it's got lots of features there for body scans, and pretty good layout for the keyboard. The keyboard light's pretty good. If we go over here, check out some different views. You can see that when you press a button, if there's a button on the side, you can see it. It makes the keyboard retracts into this tinier keyboard, so you can put it in your backpack. So that's one of the things I like to do when I'm on the go. Is you're at home and you got your big one, and then you go to class or you go to work, whatever you take. You put it into compact mode, and then you can put it in your backpack or whatever. And then it also transforms into Super Leviathan mode for when you have a really big desk and you're just really into your game. It can extend out like this, and it makes it faster and more responsive. So I think overall I'd give it about a 5 out of 5. Pretty good product. Thank you.